Oracle is laying off staff while pushing AI. They just cut more than 300 cloud engineers and in the same breath announced AI everywhere. See the pattern? They're not eliminating jobs. They're eliminating jobs that AI can do. And if you're a PeopleSoft professional who thinks being legacy makes you safe, you're wrong. You're actually in the crosshairs if you're still doing predictable, repeatable work like writing basic SQL queries manually, creating test scripts from scratch, documenting processes the old way, or troubleshooting without AI assistance. The Oracle engineers who were let go had one thing in common. They did work that could be automated. Sound familiar? So here's your survival playbook. Number 1, become the bridge. Stop being just PeopleSoft. Be PeopleSoft plus AI. Be PeopleSoft plus cloud. Be PeopleSoft plus automation. Companies need people who connect old to new. Number 2, own the business problem. Technical skills are table stakes. Business impact is job security. Can you explain why a customization costs $200,000 over 5 years? Can you show how configuration saves 80% of upgrade time? That's the difference. Number 3, build what AI can't. Relationships with stakeholders, deep institutional knowledge, creative problem solving, strategic thinking. AI writes code, you write strategy. Number 4, document everything, but not like before. Create AI-ready documentation. Build knowledge bases that AI can query. Become the architect of automated solutions. Here's the brutal truth. Oracle's layoffs are a preview. Every vendor will follow, including your company. But here's what they can't replace: the person who knows why the system works, not just how. Your move is clear. Stop competing with AI. Start commanding it. So let me ask you, what skill are you adding to your PeopleSoft expertise right now? And if you need help, we're running a PeopleSoft AI Hub in the community. Real prompts, real tools, because waiting for Oracle to teach you AI is career suicide.